Drowning in tasks and deadlines? Let's turn that chaos into a crystal clear project timeline using Trello. First, open the Trello board you want to add a timeline to. I'm using this one for a website redesign. If you don't have a board yet, go ahead and create one, adding lists for each stage of your project like to do, in progress, and completed. Now, for the magic ingredient PowerUps, click on the PowerUps button in the top right corner of your Trello board. This button might also be labeled Show Menu, then PowerUps. In the PowerUps directory, search for Timeline and select the Timeline View PowerUp developed by Trello. Click the Add button to enable the Timeline View PowerUp to your board. You can only add one Timeline View PowerUp per board. Now you should see a timeline button at the top of your Trello board. Click it. This will open the Gantt chart view where you can visually manage your tasks. Drag the edges of your cards to adjust their start and due dates. Create dependencies between tasks by dragging from one card to another, ensuring things happen in the right order. You can also quickly add dates to the tasks that don't already have them from the timeline itself. Easily manage your project and see all deadlines and tasks in one place. And that's it. You've successfully set up a project management timeline in Trello.